Hello guys, today we're just going to do an unboxing of Fulaim X5M active noise cancelling wireless microphone. So I saw this microphone for £71 in UK and I decided to buy it. So it's going to make my videos a lot better because I've been sounding like a muffled gun in my previous videos. So let's just take a look at this wireless headphone and what comes with it. It's been marketed as one-click noise cancelling wireless microphone. It's got a range of sort of 200 meters wireless transmission, 18 hours battery, 9 hours high fidelity audio. It comes with quite a few stuff. So let's see how the packaging is. So they've got it actually feels quite nice. It's quite sturdy box. It's got an opening in here, which it does feel a bit like it's magnetized. Can you see that? It's a very nice sturdy clip. It comes with the specifications here. It's got a wireless frequency band of 2.4G, modulation, don't know what that is, frequency response and all the stuff, power management. I'll leave it close to you in case you want to read this. But yeah, basically it comes with quite a few stuff. It's supposed to come with Type-C adapters, lightning adapter, receiver, transmitters, charging cases, charging cables, camera cable, windscreen muffs, and magnetic sheet and user manual. So let's have a look at what's inside. So I'm going to flip this open, move it up. Obviously we've got a manual. It did come with a black covering, but I've decided to open it with excitement, so therefore it's missing that, but it did have a covering on it. It's got the user manual in all different languages: English, Italian, French, Spanish, and German. And I will need this, will help me a lot soon because I've got no clue what I'm doing with this. So and then we've obviously got the case. It's a charging case. It's got a 5 voltage input, 2000 milliamp hour battery. So we'll keep this aside quickly. And then what else we get here? So this feels like there's something else in here. Before I manhandle this, let's see. Yeah, I have manhandled it. So what do we get in here? We get some charging cables. Do we? Yeah, so white color on something that's black. Okay, so obviously we've got the USB to headphone jack. We've also got the traditional USB-C to USB-A. So that's nice. What else is in here? There's quite a few stuff. Obviously that is the windshield. What else? Another windshield, because obviously it comes with 2 mic. Is there something else in here? Okay, nothing else. Seems to be missing a few stuff, but let's see. All right, now it's time to sort of unbox this. Let's remove the packaging. Oh, it's always a nice feeling, isn't it? All right, throw this away. Throw this away. Need some space. This feels really, really sturdy, good. There are some indicators in here. I believe this is to show how much charge there is. Let's see, open this up. Wow. As soon as you open it, says welcome. It's got half a bar of charge. It's quite nice. How does this look like? It's actually not that big. So let's see how big this is. I've got my Apple Watch in here, and this is the size when you look at the Apple Watch. So this is the smallest Apple Watch, not the big one. And this is how the size of it, and the length you can see in terms of strap, it just literally protrudes out a little bit. But this is the length of it. If you ever want to compare, this is a crazy metric, an Apple Watch band metric. Anyway, we'll put that to the side. Right, so this one. What's this one? This is another earpiece. And then obviously we've got the transmitter in here. Wow, so this is a charging point for the transmitter. This is a charging point for both of those 2 mics. And obviously you've got the thing that I thought we were missing. You got the USB-C and then the lightning port, and then you've also got the headphone jack. So that's really good. So let's have a look at the other stuff. Again, this is half the size of this. So you see, this is probably not half the size, but it is very slim. It's very slim. Shall we look at the strap again? Yeah, there we go. It is the same length. It's got an on button. It's got an on button, decibels, and it's already picking up a few of the stuff that I'm talking about. It's already picking up the frequency from my speech here, so that's good. So this is the headphone jack. It's got a connector in it, so hopefully be able to test all of this. This is how it connects. I mean, I'm gonna play around with this soon. And then you've got the lightning jack. This is, I believe this is going to go to the phone. Right, so this is probably gets connected like, yeah, it gets connected like that, and it gets plugged into the phone. So if we are using an iPhone 11, for example, with the old connector cable, this is how it's going to go. So that connects. That is it, pretty much. I will post my first full impressions of this soon. Oh, here are the magnets, by the way. If anyone is wondering, they've not shortchanged me. So here are the magnets. So yeah, so I'll post my first impressions of all these items and how it works in another video. See ya. Speak later. Bye-bye.